Just a minute, let me share my screen. So today we'll learn about differential expression. So we'll use this output for this.
Sir, I'm not able to see your screen.
No, I have not shared. Just a minute. Yeah. So this is a TSV file. I'm sharing that link in WhatsApp group event. So those who have joined in phone also can download. Yeah. Please quickly download it. Then we will go ahead. Okay. Downloading, everyone, or any issue? If any issue with download also, please let me know.
So in which format we have to download?
Yeah, download it in TSV format. Done, everyone? Finished? Okay. How many finished downloading it? Please raise your hands. Okay. So
Sir,
in the
what file? CSV, dot CSV,
no sir, dot TSV.
TSV.
Yes. So after downloading, in the file explorer itself, copy and paste it into the folder where we were working. Okay. So that will be convenient.
Sir, can you please repeat what we have to do?
Yeah, copy and paste it in the folder where you were working. The D drive or C drive you have created now folder for workshop. Just copy it to that folder. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Done?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. So now pay attention. So like yesterday, first we have to set our working directory. How? Click on session like this. So if you click on session, then you will see this set working directory. Okay. Now, if you click on set working directory, it will show you source, file location, files pane, and choose directory. So you have to click on this choose directory. Okay. So if you click on choose directory, then it will show you the file explorer like this. Then you can go to the folder where you are working and then click on open. Okay. This open button everyone can see. Click on this open. Done.
Sir, we have to choose the folder of this workshop that we have created.
Yes. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, good. Now we will first load the libraries which are necessary for the analysis. Okay, how? By using the library function. Library first is dplyr. Okay, and then click on run. Okay, then library dsec2, then click on run. And library ggplot2. Okay, and then click on run.
Sir, I think dsec2 is not there. There's no package called dsec2.
Okay, so to install dsec2, first what you can do is go to install. Okay, then the pop-up appears like this, right? So there you write BIOS manager. This one will appear. Okay, click on that and click on install.
Sir, where is the install option?
Here, ma'am, on packages, then install. Or I will copy the installation code into the in-call messages also. Okay, so you can install from here as well.
Then after installation, I'll run the command again. Right.
No, after this, please tell me. So dsec2 has a different mode of installation.
Okay. It's showing the downloaded binary package are in. It's showing the folder name, location. It is done, I guess.
Sir, in my case, it says R tool is required. So first install R tool.
Okay, so sir, if it is asking for R tools, so same, you can click on install, write R tools, and then click on install. It will install R tools. Okay.
Sir, mine it got installed. It's saying package BIOS manager successfully unpacked and MD5 sums checked.
Okay. So wait.
Should I run the library ggplot2 command?
Yeah, run the library ggplot2.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, can you repeat again how did you downloaded the DSec2 file
No,
library?
first we have not reached till dsec2. So first you have to install this BIOS manager. Okay, BIOS manager will install dsec2 for us. Okay, so for
How
dsec2
to do
install,
that, sir?
Yeah, in that I have posted in the in-call messages, and I will give it here as well. Yeah, this line, BIOS manager, install inside codes dsec2. I would suggest you can copy it from the in-call messages. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Sir, in my studio, R tools is not coming up.
RTools is not coming.
Yes.
A minute, sir.
Sir, that link that you shared for download, it is not helping in me. So,
Which
sir,
tool? Which link, ma'am?
sir, the first link that you give, drive link.
It is not
Sir,
opening.
no, it is opening, but there is no download option. I cannot find.
So can you see the file?
Yes.
So if you can see the file, then download it from there. Okay.
Sir, we need to download before doing this command in the RStudio and
Yes.
put it in
Yes.
the folder. After that, we
Yes.
could do this command.
Yes. No. No. Like you can do it. In the meanwhile, you can write these also. Okay. So click on file, download, and then tab separated. Okay.
I'm getting like one library bisect.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible. Adekaram sir. So
Yes, sir.
I have given the RTools link in the messages. Can you try this link?
So you have to download in the workshop folder.
No, no. You can download it into C or download anywhere, and you have to install this. Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm getting like after library dsec, so I'm getting this update all, some, none.
Yeah. Write A and press enter. Okay.
Okay, sir.
A for all.
Okay, sir.
Done, everyone? Done, Adekaram sir?
No, still downloading.
Okay.
Sir, I have doubt. This mini Conda, should this be put in the workshop folder and install, or it can also be installed in the C?
Miniconda sir is getting installed into your WSL. Okay. So that has a different file structure. Remember /mnt/d mount d, like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in my case, the Conda not properly installed, I guess. So the installation that the file is with the dot extension sh only. That's the file, right? It's not an exe file.
No, for Linux, all the files are in .sh. They come in a script file, .sh script. Okay,
I have to
so
use the proper command and then install it first.
yeah,
Sir, it is should be downloaded in TSP form.
yes, ma'am.
Sir, but it is not showing in my download folder. I have clicked on download.
File, download, then TSB.
Can you
It
show
will
me?
take some time, man. It will take some. Sorry. Anyone is saying?
Yes, sir.
anything?
Can you please show me the we have selected the directory, the source file directory.
Mhm.
Uh,
Source
going
file
to
directory,
session,
working directory.
session, then setting the directory that
Yeah, session, set working directory, then choose directory. Okay. Done, everyone? Should we move ahead?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, for the
Sir, these
DC2
things that you
install,
shared for session,
Ma'am, just a minute. Just a minute. Someone is saying something.
yeah, sir. So you said that to press E, right? So I pressed enter. So later on, it gives a thing like permission denied.
Permission denied.
Like package is not installed when versions are same or greater than current. So
That means you already have that package. Run
Oh, okay.
library dsec2 and then run. It should open. Okay.
yes.
Yeah. Pramita ma'am, what you are saying?
sir, I'm saying that you say that to make the session the thing. So I have to do this session, then select that directory. Then I should give this command that library data whatever you given from 1 to 3. After that, right?
Yes.
Excuse me,
Okay.
sir.
Yes,
Sir,
ma'am.
after installing, as you said, like to install the BIOC manager,
Mhm.
after installation, I gave this library dsec to run this command to
Mhm.
run.
Mhm.
But it's saying error in library. There is no package called dsec2.
Have you? You are making some spelling mistake there.
No, I just
Something is in
copied the command.
uppercase. No, it's not possible. Are you connected to internet through the laptop?
Yes.
Can you share your screen?
Yeah, sure.
Sir, may I know about certificates?
Yeah, certificate will
attending
be given after the workshop.
So this
Okay,
is
so is there any exam like that
No,
to
no,
get
no.
this? Okay.
Ma'am, where did you install by this dsec2? You
It's
didn't
in-
install it.
it's in C.
That is BIOC manager. After that, you have to run this BIOC manager install dsec2.
Okay. The command that you gave.
Yes.
Okay.
sir. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Sir, I cannot able to download the TSB file that you are asking. I have tried for 3 to 4 times, but it's not
What
downloading.
it is showing?
Okay, now it just loaded for downloading. Okay, I got it.
Okay. Yeah, good. Done, everyone? dsec2 installation, download, everything done. Should we move ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now we will read our count matrix into this. Okay. For dsec2, we need 3 things. One is count matrix, second is metadata, and third is the design, the experimental design. Okay. So first we'll read the count matrix. So we'll read it count, then the assignment operator arrow like I taught, then read dot table, and then quotes, and then feature count output, sep equal to inside quotes this slash and then t /t for tab. Okay, then header equal to true, then row dot names equal to 1. Okay, this much, and then click on run.
Sir,
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
sir, actually this command also showing me error after doing the dsec2. So I have to give this install packages or dsec2 command in the Ubuntu. Then
In RStudio, ma'am. You don't have to write it in
Okay.
Ubuntu. We are in R now. Okay. So I have also pasted the command in call messages. You can copy it from there. Okay. So when you do head, then you can see it is showing all these things. This X user data. Okay. So these are all unnecessary things, and these columns: chromosome, start, end, length, strand. Okay, all these columns we do not need. Okay, so what we'll do, first thing, we'll remove these columns. How? By using dplyr. Okay, how will we remove it? Count, select, count, comma, -c, chr, then start, then end, then strand, then length. Okay, this much. So this -c means exclude these columns. Okay, so now if you do head count, you see these columns are gone. Okay, I'll copy it and paste it in the in-call messages. What is the function of header? Header or head?
First six
Oh, header.
counts it will show.
Okay, header equal to true means the first row will be considered as column name row. Okay, so if you don't give header equal to true, what will happen is it will assign call names or the column names by itself, and that will be v1, v2, v3, v4 like this. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir. Sir, that feature count line hai na? So how you will write? We have to press tab, or how we have to
Yes,
write?
yes.
In my laptop, it is showing error.
Yeah, you can write till FEATU and then press tab, it will autocomplete. Okay, always prefer pressing a tab than writing the whole thing.
Okay, sir.
Okay, done everyone till this much. Now these unnecessary things, where
In that end strand, like the last command
yeah, can you
Count.
share your screen?
is
Either in select, could not find function select. So go to line 1 and click on run. Ma'am, DEY, it is just dplyr. DPLYR. Yeah. Now it will run.
I'll give this command again.
Yeah, run. Just click on run. Ma'am, capital C.
Okay, yeah. I think there's
Every-
that brackets.
Capital C.
In C, this one?
No, CHR in capital C.
It's in H are all. C is capital.
No,
No,
C is small.
It came now. I guess it came now because there
Okay.
were 2 brackets.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So now you see all these extra things we have to remove. Okay. We'll remove that by using a function called gsub. Gsub, what it does, it substitutes. Okay. So we will substitute this entire pattern with nothing. Okay. We want this to disappear. Okay. Call names count gsub. Okay. And then the pattern, we will copy it from here till this human dot. Okay. Paste it here. Then replacement will be blank, just quotes. And then call names count. Okay. Then click on run. Okay. Now if you do head count, so you see it has disappeared. Now again we have to do the same for dot sorted dot bang. Okay. So same thing, I will copy just here. And now gsub, and the pattern will change here. Okay. The pattern here is dot sorted dot bam. Okay. And the replacement is nothing again. And from where it will remove that, from call names count. Okay. And click on run. And again go to line 9 for running head. See, clean. Copy these 2 lines. I will paste it in the message box. You can use them. Sorry, I made a mistake. So, okay, it's okay. You can paste these 2 one after another also. It will work. Done, everyone? Done?
Sir, can I share my screen? It's giving error in everything.
Okay. Please share.
Sir, that name is same for all of us.
Yes, ma'am.
First, it was giving this. After giving head count, I got an error.
Click on line 12 anywhere.
This is line 12.
Yeah. Click on run. Yeah, it's working. They're equal to
Spelling
true.
mistake. Yeah, sorry.
Ma'am, why it is showing V1, V2 for you?
Me? Mukta?
Yes. Yes. Share your screen once again. Feature count output dot tsv is equal to /t header. Header equal to, have you written capital T?
Header, where? In which line?
Line, run line 8. You are running line 9. Run line 8.
If I
Yeah.
run this, it gives an error, feature count, because we don't have this folder, count underscore output. We have
You
test underscore.
downloaded na, this feature count output?
Is it
Yesterday,
the same file that you have sent us as and downloaded instructed us to download the TSV?
Yes.
Sir,
yes,
I
I
have
have downloaded it.
downloaded that thing and also placed that thing in the workshop folder. So now the
Yes.
workshop folder is in has been loaded in the R. Still, it's showing the same thing, sir. No such file in the directory.
So
Okay,
so-
actually the name is different in there. So the actually
Yeah, it's feature count capital
Yeah.
C and you have written small c. So that is why I am telling always use tab.
No, it's capital C only.
No, I can see it is small c now.
It is capital C. This
Can
one-
you go there?
This one is capital.
Okay, so just remove everything
the file
from
name is
.tsv till feature. Yeah, yes, ma'am. The file name is
The file name is actually repeated in that file, like feature count underscore output, and again there is underscore feature
I have
count.
placed the
It's
name
like
in
that
the,
in the main
info
file.
message actually. You can see there
Yeah,
are 2 times
yeah,
it has been
that is the
mentioned
name.
feature count, output feature count.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So when it is getting downloaded, the name is being changed. So what you can do is use tab to complete the name. Okay. Anyone else facing the problem?
Sir, I want to know why in the console, like when I do the run, they show the blue command over there, but yours is like after the blue command, we have some letters in black, right? Like the chart and all. Just the blue command
Just
shows and nothing
just
below.
a minute, ma'am. Just a minute. I will come to you. Yeah. Muktashri, ma'am, remove
Yes.
entire thing inside quote. Inside quotes. What you have written in dot. Ma'am, inside quotes. Why are you removing save?
This is inside. Acha, okay, that inside.
Write EA. Press tab. Yeah. Now click on run. Yeah.
Yes,
Remove
sir,
that
yes.
line 9. Yeah. Bijoy sir, you also can do this. Okay. Read dot table. Inside quote, write FEA, then press tab and let it auto.
I did the tab thing, it loaded the name. Now it is showing a different sort of error actually. It is what it is showing here is error in scan, file equals to file, what, and like something like that. Line 1 did not have any 83 elements, something like this is showing here.
Can you share your screen?
Yeah, I'll stop sharing.
Well, something like this is showing here, this one.
Sir, sep equal to /t.
Where?
Separation.
Okay. Okay. Is it correct now?
Yeah, click on run. See?
Oh, okay. I think it has taken.
Sir, I have also getting error.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am. What is the error?
Sir, can I share my screen?
Yeah. Please share your screen. Okay, everyone could load this file .tsv or any issue? Right, come. Where is
No,
the
sir,
issue,
I'm
ma'am?
able to do.
Yeah, click on run. Go to line 50. Click on run. Yeah. So remove that .ts. Go to that .tsv thing. Yeah. Remove .tsv. Backspace. Yeah. Press tab. Now click on enter. Click on run. Okay. Now things will work. Okay. Yeah. Who else is getting error? Lavanya ma'am, did you get?
Okay, biggest.
Sir, actually, I got different numbers.
Different numbers? Can you share your screen?
Yes.
Yeah, Pramita ma'am, run library deployer. You are not running that line. That is why it's coming like that. 43, yes, run. Then, yeah, what is the different number?
So then this count chromosome minus C line. No?
Yes, yes, yes. So, this is fine, ma'am. BAM files. So count.
So for me, it's not moving.
Just a minute, sir. I'm coming to you. So Lavanya, ma'am, line 13. Copy the entire line, like from starting from call names bracket count. Okay, so you have only copied one line. I guess it is happening due to the in-call messages is truncating the line. So copy the entire line. No, not there. Open the in-call messages. Yeah. Copy the entire thing
First one,
till
sir?
call. Yeah. Yes. Now replace that there. Okay. So now load counts again and run these, or you can run these one by one. Okay. So yeah, just a minute. Just go to the end of this line 17. Line 17. Okay. Yeah. Fine. Run line 16 and line 17. Okay. Remove that line 15 and run the count thing again. Okay. Read.tsv. Run that and then run these gsub. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
sir, this is written shorted BAM, so we do not have that names in the our file. So should we change this in the 16 line command, or it will be like this?
Impossible. I have created that file. I have written that dot sorted dot bam. Should be there unless you are using some different file.
Okay.
Yeah, Aday Kalam sir, what is the issue?
Sir, it's not running.
Can you share your screen? What is not running? Let me see.
Are you able to see, sir?
Yes, open RStudio.
Yeah.
Open RStudio, sir.
So I opened it. Oh, I need to share again. Okay. So here I share window to this one.
Count. So count. Yeah. Count. Select. Okay. Sir. Go
Okay.
to line 1. Go to line 1 and run. Yeah. Click on run. Yeah. Now you run line 5. Run.
First
Running.
is hanging there.
It will take some time.
It's doing like that for a long time.
Yeah, it will take some time, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Sir, I'm getting same numbers.
Yeah, it's okay, ma'am. Numbers is nothing. You just focus on this column name. If you are getting the column name like this, so that's fine. Numbers is okay. So are you getting column names now like this? Clean column names?
No, sir, I'm getting just BAM files. Like,
Can you share your screen?
Yes. So can you
Yeah. Open R Studio. Yeah. Click on that ignore and see. Open R Studio, man.
wait a minute. So, so can you see now?
Ma'am, can you just move? Just a minute. Run line 15. Click on run. Okay. Now run line 19. Line 15 is. Wait, ma'am. Go down, go down. Where this test dot count you got? You are not using the feature count output which I told to download.
Okay. So,
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Just go up.
yes.
Go to line 15. Line 15.
So,
Yeah. In that quotes, remove everything. Yeah. Write FEA and then press tab. Yeah.
yes, sir.
Click on run. Yeah. Now click on line 17. Click on run. No, no need to select it. Yeah. Run. Yeah. Click on line 19. Click run. Yeah. Now run line 20. Line 20. Done. Okay. So remove that line 21 and the unnecessary lines. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. So done. Everyone is in the same page now. Okay. So we have loaded the count matrix. Now we have to create the metadata. Okay. So how will we create the metadata? We learned about the data.frame function. We'll use that function. Okay. So data.frame, the basic necessity of DSEC2 is the row names of metadata and the call names of your count data. Both should match each other. Okay, so to ensure that, we'll do here row dot names equal to call names count. Okay, so directly it will bring those names into row names. Okay. And then write this cell line repetition HEK for 6 times, MCF7 6 times, condition control 3 times, KD 3 times, MCF7 control 3 times, and this. And then click on run. What happened? Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay, one extra column.
So
I'll-
can you copy this?
Yes. I am giving it in the call messages. Okay. Yeah, other column sir, please mute yourself. Okay. So now you see metadata. Okay. So metadata will appear something like this. Clear? Everyone understood? Done till metadata?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will check if it is so. All row names, metadata, percent in percent is basically equal to but for multiple items. Okay. Call names, count. Okay. And then click on run. True. That means we pass the first line. Okay. So here it is. Do not confuse it for metadata. All row names, metadata, percent in percent call. Okay. Okay. Now you see this metadata, the condition is a character column. Okay. We have to convert it into a factor column. Okay. How? Metadata dollar condition, again arrow mark, as dot factor, same metadata dollar and condition. Okay. And then click on run. Now it is converted into factor. Unless it is a factor, okay, we will use this condition column as our experimental design to feed into DSEC2. Okay.
Sir, I got error from metadata.
Error from metadata. How it is possible? You have not copied it properly, ma'am. So remove whatever you have pasted and do one thing. Copy the entire thing starting from metadata to rep bracket MCF7 KD, comma 3. Try this and tell me if you are getting error again. Okay. Yeah. What is it? Error in data dot frame row names equal to call names count cell line. Row names applied are of the wrong length. So Minhas ma'am, are you using the same count which I have shared? Which account?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Not possible. Can you share your screen?
I've just copied. Yes, sir. So can you see, sir?
Wait, each account output. Okay. Data dot frame row names. Yeah. Go to line 68.
68. Yes, sir.
Yes. Click run. Row names, columns count. Can you do head count? It is there in, go to line 52. Line 50. Yeah, fine. Right. Line 52 and run.
Line 52. Okay, sir.
Yeah. So what you have done is you have missed one. Run that line 51. Line 51 you have just written. You didn't run that.
So
What
here
does
also
not
I'm getting
exist?
error.
Start, not stare. Start.
Stair.
You have written stair. Very
Start.
little stair.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Sir, I need to
Again,
remove this one.
yes, it is capital S start. Yeah. Click on run.
Run.
Hmm.
And then
Now
head-
you run line 68.
68.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Done, everyone. Kaljan ma'am,
Sir, I have
you
the
also got.
I have the same error in that.
Can you
But
look at
mine
mine?
is
One
mine
by
is
one, one
I
by one.
think my
One
command is
by
okay.
one. Yeah, who is speaking?
It's me, Kazim.
Yes, ma'am. What is the error?
So actually, I lost from that particular thing only. Just now, Minaz ma'am had the problem with the start, end, and strand length, etc. So that shows error.
Okay. So you could solve that.
No,
Can you share your screen quickly?
sure, sir.
Yeah. Go to line 17. Click on run.
Are you referring to here? So,
Run. It's running. Where is the issue?
okay.
Yeah. Run line 9. Yeah. So what you have not run is line 11. Done now. So now run line 14 again. Line 14, go down. I guess it will be line 15, 16 or something like that. Yeah, line 17. Run. Done. Now run the subsequent lines 18, 19, 20. Okay, done. Yeah. Who else was getting error? Please.
Sir, I have a problem.
Yes.
Say in the line that you have mentioned now, that count select, then count minus C, CHS start. That line is not loading in my R studio. It is showing some select function cannot be recognized here.
So you have not loaded library deployer. So wherever you have written library deployer, run that line. Okay.
Sir, here I have said mine.
Yeah. Run line 4.
Yeah, it was.
Anywhere you click. Yeah.
Yeah, it was.
Run.
It was hanging and it was not moving actually.
Yeah, it will take some time, sir. It will take some time. You have to wait. Then
No,
run the
I-
subsequent lines. Okay. So it will work then. Okay. Yeah. Who else? Done, everyone. We'll move ahead. Or anyone else is having problem?
I have still have the problem, sir.
okay.
I have given the package dplyr to install. It has installed it.
Install?
Yeah.
Sir, run this.
Oh,
line.
sorry.
Yeah. Check in call messages. Copy and paste this. Yeah. What is the issue, ma'am? Ma'am, show me the console. Error in data.frame. But
Yes.
didn't you solve this error?
So I tried.
Why are you writing this gsub again? Increase that thing. Where is your count? Yeah, run everything. Run line 15. Click anywhere on 15 and run. Yeah. Click line 17, then line 19. Line 19. Yeah. Line 24. Okay. So what you are not doing is, yeah, line 11. Line 11. Run line 11. Yeah. Now run line 24. See,
Yes.
remove that 25 to 29 and run the subsequent lines. Okay. Yeah. Got it where you made the mistake. You had written that line, but you did not run that.
Yes.
Yeah. So your extra columns are not getting removed. Okay. Everyone done till this much point? Metadata, as dot factor, metadata condition. Now that we have made this as a factor, so what we have now? We have count, we have metadata. What we need? Design. Okay. So design will create design. Okay. And then has dot formula tilde. This tilde is in the left side of 1 on keyboard. Okay. Left side of 1. Not the numerical one. Your escape button, below that you can find it. Okay. And condition. Okay. And then click on run. Okay. I'll paste it in the message box as well. Okay. Now we have created metadata. We have created condition, everything. Okay. Now we will do some filtering. Okay. So before filtering, you have to see the dimension. Okay. Dimension means size. Okay. So dim count, we have 54,628 rows. If you remember, I told in data frame and matrix, first will be always your row and then will be column. So 54,628 rows and 12 columns. Okay. So now we will filter. Okay. So how will filter? We'll filter by genes. Okay. Keep, we'll create an object keep row sums count greater than 12. Why? If in each column, how many columns we have? 12 columns. Okay. So if in each column there is one, the count is 1, just 1. Okay. So row sums means if you sum all the rows or all the columns of that row. Okay. So this means it will sum the rows column wise. And if it is greater than 12, it will be kept. Otherwise, it will be dropped. Why? Otherwise, it is just 1 or less than 1 in each column. Okay. So that is not necessary. Okay. It is not possible that one gene has only one count, one transcript. It is impossible. That's a sequencing artifact. Okay. So that is why we will filter them out.
Sir, what is the number 54628 means?
Those many rows, 54,628 genes we have in this count matrix. Okay.
Okay, sir, and 12?
12 is number of columns. Those many samples we have. Okay. So I'm pasting these two lines in the in-call messages. Okay. So you can use this. Now, if we do dim count run, then you see we had 54,000 genes. It reduced to 25,000 genes. Okay. So that means more than 25,000 were having count less than 1. So we have removed them. Now we have a clean data to go ahead. Clear everyone? Reach till here?
Sir, there is the command is keep row sum means we have deleted from the row.
Yes, we have deleted those rows in which if you sum all the columns, the sum will be less than 12. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we will create DDS matrix. Okay. So DDS DSEC dataset from matrix. Okay. Count. Then metadata. Then design. Okay. This much. And run. Okay. Now we will do the DSEC. DSEC DDS. Okay. And run.
Sir, what is the meaning of DDS?
DDS is just the object which we are giving. It's a DSEC. We are creating the matrix first, DSEC matrix. Okay, that name is, I am giving DDS. You can name anything.
Okay.
Okay, you can name
Sir,
it with
I got
your
an
name also.
error here.
Where?
Could not find function DSEC dataset from matrix.
Yes, because you have made some mistake in the spelling. Okay, please
So I
share
have
your screen.
copied it from you.
Yes, please share your screen.
Yes, yes, sir.
DSEC dataset from matrix. Ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Would not find function. Okay, so do one thing. Just go to console.
Yes, sir.
Console. Okay, remove that count line totally.
This one?
Yes. Yeah. Write library.
In console or?
Yes. In console.
Okay. Library.
Bracket. DES. Capital D. Capital E. Capital S.
Yes.
Press tab. You have
No,
not installed
no.
DSEC 2.
DSEC 2 I have installed. Maybe I haven't clicked run.
Where is it? BIOS manager. Yeah. Run line 45. Yeah. It will take some time and then it will install. After that, run line 46. Okay. Then come back to that line. It will work. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Anyone else getting error? How many have finished DDS? DSEC DDS? How many? Please raise your hand, please.
I'm
Pradeep
also
bhai is-
getting error, sir.
What is the error, ma'am? Pradeep bhai and Dishani, Bijay bhai, all these are prompt people. They have finished. Okay.
1 minute.
Yeah. Please share your screen. Yeah. Others facing any issue where you are all? Please let me know why you have not run till DSEC.
Sir, mine is still hanging, not running.
Maybe your system is little slow, sir. It will take some time. Okay.
I have RAM 16 MB RAM and i5.
16 MB.
Yes, 16 GB.
Oh, 16. That's too much. It should run.
Yeah, so too much also, then it will hang.
No, sir. It should not hang. I don't know why it is.
There is
Yeah.
some issue, I guess.
Yes, sir. So yeah, ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
you run library dsec2. Capital E. Press tab. Press tab.
It's not
See,
coming,
you
sir.
have also not installed.
This one,
Yeah,
sir.
BIOS manager. Line 5.
Ah. I did, sir, but
BIOS manager,
that is-
capital M. Ma'am, line 5, capital M.
this one.
Yes. Run.
Object, it's not found like that, sir.
Yeah. So write it inside quotes. Give quotes.
Double quoting, sir.
Yes, double quote. Yeah. Run.
Yes, sir.
Running.
Yes, sir, it's running.
Okay. Okay. After that, you can run. Yeah. Who else? Who else? Finish
Thank
till DDS.
So yes, sir. One question: when we need to write this command in the console, or when we are
Yeah.
writing?
So you can write your command anywhere, but in console, if you write, things will disappear. It will not stay for future. Whatever is there in scriptwriter will stay for future. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
Shiva
sir,
Gurunathan sir, you reach till this DDS, DSEC?
Yes, sir.
Shiva Gurunathan sir. Is there? Okay. Kaljan ma'am, you reach till DDS?
Sir.
Okay. Lavanya ma'am, you reached?
Yes, sir.
Good. Gautam sir, you reached? Okay. It's not there, I guess. Adhiraj sir, you reached till DDS? Yeah. Okay. So now we have created this. Okay. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to save our normalized count. Okay. What is a normalized count? Now you all do normalization on the basis of your this gene, housekeeping gene. Okay. In case of differential expression, you are seeing here 25,000 genes are there. You can't do that qPCR normalization. What people used to do is RPKM, FPKM. Okay. So all those normalization methods are now outdated. Why? What it used to do? It used to just divide by 1 million. Okay, but that is not the thing which is adding to the bias. There are several things. If there is a gene which length is small, okay, that will be sequenced more than the gene which is larger. Okay, because that is how sequencing by synthesis works. Now that is one thing. If there is a PCR duplicate also, okay, and then there are housekeeping genes, their numbers will be always higher. Then there will be cytokines, transcription factors, their number is always less. Okay, so that is how all these things are adding up to the bias. Okay, so people came up with newer methods. There are models. So the assumption is gene expression is a negative binomial distribution. Okay, and that is how they came to generalized linear model. After applying that model, they calculate trimmed mean of m values. That means for each gene, it will calculate something called a trimmed mean. Okay, and that value will be divided for each gene, and that is how we get the normalized count. Okay, count your this normalized count will always be in decimals. Understood, everyone? Now we will create this non count count, then TDS normalize equal to true and run. I'm not sure. Is it counts? Just a minute. Counts. Yeah, it should be Z then. Yeah. Okay. So this is how we are saving the normalized count. Okay. Then we will save this normalized count. How? Write dot CSV. Okay. Non count file equal to normalized count dot CSV. Okay. And click on run. Okay. Done this much. Now
I'm facing error, could not find function like that it's showing, sir, after running DDS.
which function it is not finding?
DDS, sir, the dsec data set form matrix, that command.
Can you share your screen quickly?
Yes, sir. When I run this command, it's showing like error.
Run line 27.
That also showing
Line
the same.
26. Line 26. Line 26. So have you loaded the library dsec2?
Where, sir, in console?
Anywhere you write that?
Yes, sir, I did.
Okay, just give a enter there.
Where,
Library.
sir, here?
Bracket. Yeah, bracket. Yeah, write DE. Capital D. Two. Enter. Now it will run. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So we have done that. Now we have to find differential expression. Okay. So for differential expression, we have to run a function called contrast, which will compare that. Okay. So we'll create an object, res con1 and results TDS contrast equal to C for collection, condition, control HK and knockdown HK. Okay. And run. Same, we have to create another res con2 I'll just copy this. Okay. And then here I will write MCF 7 CTRL and MCF 7 KD. Okay. And then click on run. Okay. So this gives us differential expression. There is an error solved. Good. Self-sufficient Pradeep. Norm count on normalize Z. Okay. Now we have found the differential expression object. Okay. But the problem is this is not significant differential expression. Okay. How will we do that? First we have to order it. Then we can filter the significant differential ones. Okay. So res ordered 1, rescon 1, order rescon 1 dollar log2 change. Okay, we will order it on the basis of log2 change. Click on run. Same. Res ordered for 2. Second one. Here rescon 2. Rescon 2. And then click on run. Okay. So we have ordered them.
So can you paste it? The screen is not showing the command.
Screen is not showing. My screen is visible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I have pasted anyway. Okay.
Mm.
So now we will create the significant ones. Okay. Resig 1. Subset. Resordered 1. So tell me how to subset someone. First thing is P adjusted should be less than how much? 0.05. Here we do not take the P value because there are multiple comparisons. We take the adjusted P values. Okay. And log2 fold change should be greater than how much? How much of log2 will be greater than 2? Yeah, someone please. Should be greater than equal to 1. 2 to the power 1 is how much?
2.
Yeah, so 2-fold change we will take. Okay, so log2 fold change 1 will be 2-fold change. So greater than or equal to that. Okay, so this will take. Done. Same will do for second one also. 2, 2, and run. Okay, I have pasted it in the comment box. Okay. Now let's check how many we got differentially expressing and then how many we got as significant. So how will we do that? Dimension, which calculates the number of rows and columns. Okay. So first we'll do for rescon 1, dim 25,000. Okay. Then how many of that are significant? Res sig 1. Okay. See, only 357 genes are significantly differentially expressed for the first condition, which is your HEK cell line. Okay. For the MCF7 cell line, dim resig 2, okay, run 415 genes are significantly differentially expressed. Okay, if you want, you can save these results. I'll just show you one result, how it looks. Yeah, this is how it is. The base mean is the average expression of that gene. Okay, this is the log to fold change. Okay, and this p-value is the p-value, and then on this p-value we add adjustment. Okay, your false discovery rate we apply, and then we get the p adjusted. Done. Now that we have these still here, the next step is to do the dimensionality reduction. Okay, why dimensionality reduction? Because we should, this is the last QC in differential expression. Okay, if your samples are not behaving well in dimensionality reduction, then you should consider dropping those samples. Okay, so you'll scold me that what sir, you told we got good fast QC files, but then here you are telling drop everything. So the thing is, if you are saying that I have done the knockdown, okay, and then you are taking the gene expression and you are doing the dimensionality reduction. If your control gene expression looks like the knockdown gene expression, that means the knockdown has not happened, or the knockdown has zero effect on the cell line. Okay, and to see if, how the gene expressions are, we have to do this dimensionality reduction or PCA. Okay, for that we have to first do what? We have to calculate the RLD. Okay, R log DDS. Okay, then click on run. It'll take some time. By that time, I'll just write the code for PCA. So P lot PCA, okay, RLD, int group equal to condition. So int group is the column on the basis of which you want to do the dimensionality reduction. Okay. Return data equal to true. Run this. Okay, so using top 500 genes, okay, so after it is done, I'll show you. Head P. Okay, so this we will round it off by 100. Okay, how? Percent var
So percent var means
percent var is an object which I am creating to round off this PCA. Okay. Round is the function 100 into attribute. Okay. P is the object where we have saved our PCA data. Percent var. So basically what I am doing is, instead of this variation, I am calculating the percentage variation. Okay, that is why I wrote this percent var. So 100 into attribute. So all will be converted into percentage. Now we will plot. For plotting, ggplot. Okay. So ggplot, the syntax is the data set is P, then is AES is aesthetics. Okay. So in aesthetics, we have to take the x-axis and y-axis. The x-axis will be our PC1, this column, and the y-axis is PC2. Okay, and then we will give it color equal to condition. So it will give color by condition. Okay, and then the next thing which is needed in this ggplot is the geometry. Okay, so the geometry will be your geom point. So we want them as points. Okay, geom point. Here we'll keep the point size as 3. Okay, plus then the percentage which we calculated. Okay, so let's first see the percent var, what it is showing. Oh. Okay, so it is not showing, so I'll just write it. Okay, so in the x-axis, it will paste PC1 and then percent var 1. Okay. Didn't calculate the percent var or what?
Sir, can you paste it the 41 comment?
Yeah, just a minute.
Sir, is there a space after y is equals to? Because for x is equals to.
Where, ma'am? Y equal to no.
use-
There is no space.
You gave us
X is
space
equals
after
to
x.
x and not space after y.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, x. That space is manageable. Like R doesn't mind that space. Okay, that space is up to you. What you want to give, you can give. Okay, so I will just show you the window.
So can you once scroll down in the console? What is the result of the 40 command?
Just a minute, ma'am. I'm going there. Yeah.
Got
So
an
this is
error.
the PCA plot. Error? Where error?
It's saying object percent var not found.
Oh, sorry. I didn't give this percent var. Yeah. So first run this percent var line and then run that ggplot line. It will work. Okay. So you can see this picture. This is the PCA. Okay. So in PC1, I wrote RLD instead of ma'am. It is RLD like this. Small r, small l, small d. Okay. It is working now. Impossible. Okay. Error in evaluating object RLD not found. Oh, okay. Okay, fine. Yeah. So everyone please pay attention to the screen. Okay. So this is
error
the,
is could not find a ggplot.
so you have not loaded the library ggplot to ma'am. That is why. Okay.
So that is which command?
Library ggplot2. I'll write it in the message box. You can see. Okay. .2. Yeah. So everyone, please pay attention here. Okay. So this is PC1. This is PC2. Okay. PC1 shows the variation between intersample. Okay. That means you have two cell line here, HEK and MCF7. So it is showing the intersample variation, which is 90%. PC2 shows intrasample variation, which is around 5%. Okay. You can see in case of MCF7, the control replicates are here. Okay. The knockdown replicates are here. In case of HEK, everything is at one place. That means the knockdown has zero role on HEK. Okay. But in case of MCF7, if you do the knockdown, then you can see there is some effect. Okay. This is how it is knowing. So it is plotting them on the basis of their total gene expression. Okay. So it takes into account the gene expression. So that is why you see the control ones are here. That means the gene expression in the control samples are more or less same, and in the knockdown sample are more or less same. But the gene expression in knockdown and the gene expression in control are different. Okay, understood? Understood, everyone? Clear? Okay. Now the last task. So for that,
Sir, it is different color for different gene.
different gene. No, ma'am. Different sample. So we have given a color equal to condition. So condition wise, it will give different colors. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Please install this library cluster profiler. Okay. Yeah, ma'am. Run that percent var line. I have given now after ggplot. Run that line, then run the ggplot line. Then percent var will work. Okay. So I made a mistake there by not
Still-
giving you. Yes, ma'am. What is the issue?
Still the error is
Same
there.
as that.
Which mistake?
Percent
share your
bar
screen?
actually. Okay, sorry.
Yeah. Both of you are getting same error?
Yes, sir. I guess.
Lavanya ma'am, you are also getting percent var, or your error is something
Yes, sir.
different?
Yes, sir. Same, sir. Percent.
Okay, let me see. Percent var. Yeah, just make that P capital, V capital in case of line 42.
This V.
Yes. You saw me, I made that V small and got the error. Okay, so then I made the correction also. That V also, that inside code, that percent var is there. Attribute 100. Yeah. Now run that line. Yeah. Now run that 45, line 45. Boom. You got a picture. Yeah. Lavanya ma'am, you also got?
Yes, sir. I was installing this cluster.
Okay. So everyone, please install this package, cluster profiler. Okay. and please raise your hand after you have finished installing it. Okay, I am giving you another package as well. Yeah, this one. After that, install this one. Okay, cluster profiler and then org.mm.eg.db. So by the time you install, I will load
Sir,
my packages.
after installing cluster profiler, do you have to again run the library ggplot2 package?
Yes. No, not ggplot2. You have to run
Cluster
library
profiler.
cluster profile. Yes.
Okay, fine.
Excuse me. Library org dot. Oh, sorry. I'm very sorry. That mm.eg.db, please don't install that. Instead, install this. I'm very sorry. This mm.eg is for mice. So I am habituated with mice. That is why I wrote this. This is a human cell. Na? So we need the human database. org.hs.eg.db. Okay. Yeah. Installed everyone. org.hs.eg.db and cluster profiler. Yes, no.
Sir, you have pasted the command biomanager install cluster profiler. That I have to put this in case of 44 or like this library then cluster profiler.
Yeah, library cluster profiler. No, you have to first install, ma'am. Then you can run this. Have you installed?
So while installing,
It is
I got
going
this
on with
warning.
something.
Is not available for this version of R.
So I'm
What is not
again
available?
getting percent work.
Can you share your screen, ma'am?
So me?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute, Minhas, ma'am.
Oh,
So
okay,
I'll
okay.
see just Lavanya ma'am screen, then I'll come to you. Okay. Yeah. Who else is getting the error for this cluster profiler?
Sir, I am also.
You're also getting? Okay. Percent var. Where is percent var? Ma'am, copy the percent var line from messages. You have not created that object. How it will work? Tell me. In the in call messages, it is there. Yeah. Scroll. Yeah, that one. Before ggplot2, go to line 47. Okay, fine. Run.
It's 47.
Yeah, go to line 47. Press enter. Yeah, paste there. Yeah, run. Yeah. Now run line 51.
Yes.
Yeah. Now you will get the plot. Okay. Now you run cluster profiler. Yeah.
I did.
Who else is getting error for cluster profiler? Please raise your hand.
Sir, I can share my screen.
Just one person. Yeah, please share your screen. Are you getting some error? Tell me.
Yes, can you?
Yeah, please share your screen. Pradeep is getting error. Who is sharing screen? Pradeep, can you share your screen? What is the error? Or paste it in the error for org.hs. Yes, paste the error in messages, in call messages. Minhas ma'am, you can paste the error
Yeah.
what you are getting in call messages.
Sir, I cannot share my
Error.
screen now.
So mine is running now. So actually I
Okay,
installed from
good.
packages. That's why maybe it was error. Now I clicked here.
Error for org.hs.eg.db. Loading required package annotation db. Attaching package. So it is running, right? It's just masking select. Correct, Pradeep?
Sir,
Okay. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. You did not share your screen.
I'm sharing, but it is not.
It is not.
Sir, it is showing that can't share a screen.
What is the error? Can you read?
It is starting browser.
If it is restarting,
So it
sorry?
is showing that installation paths not writable, unable to update packages.
That is a different error. I will see that after the class. Okay, so you remind me. I will check that. Okay, that's a different error. It will take a little bit time. Okay, so how many could install cluster profiler and this org.hs.eg.db?
Sir, I am actually facing a problem regarding the installation of different packages till now. It is showing actually update these, update that for several times actually.
Yes. That is not an issue, sir. It asks
Okay,
everyone.
I can skip it for now, na?
Yeah, no, you have to write A and then update everything.
Oh, okay, fine.
Okay.
Sir, I got the error while installing HSEGDB that at last it was written that installation paths not writable, unable to update packages. So is it okay?
Org.hs.eg installation path not writable. Only
Yes,
for
sir.
org.hs.db you got this cluster profiler you downloaded properly.
Cluster profile. org.mm. So installed source package using .r. That was done. Oh, same for that also. Paths not writable.
Okay. So I will just see your both problem after the class maybe. Okay, it will take
Okay.
some time.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So others could get this cluster profiler org.hs.eg.db. Minhas ma'am, have you by chance downloaded this R and install it to some folder in? Have you installed R into D?
I think it was in C. It is in C.
Then it should not create problem. Pramita ma'am, your R is in C or D?
Sir, in C.
Then it should not create problem. Okay, fine. I will see afterwards. Okay. So just remind me. Okay.
Yes,
So now we have got our differential expressing genes. So we have maximum number for this resig2. Okay, so I'll just run for resig2. So first we have to extract our differentially expressing genes. How? Row names, resig2. Okay, so for pathway we only take the significantly differentially expressing genes, not the other ones. Okay. Now there are two kind of mechanism to see the enriched pathways. Okay, one is in your gene set enrichment and another one is over representation. Okay, so what is over representation? If one set of gene is over represented, then the algorithm assumes that certain path is being taken by the system. Okay, what is gene set enrichment? You give the gene name as well as the what it is called, this log to fold change. Okay, so from the fold change, the algorithm calculates what path possibly is being taken by the system. Clear? So I will do both and show you. Okay, so first we will do the over representation. Okay. I have pasted it in the in-call messages also. Okay. So here enrichGo is the function which calculates the over representation. So here you want to write gene list, rather we'll write just X. Okay. So orgdb is org.hs.eg.db. Key means what kind of gene name you are using. It can be symbol, it can be ensemble ID, it can be entries ID. These three are acceptable. So if your genes are in the format of ensemble, you have to write here ensemble. If it is in the format of entries ID, you have to write here entries ID. Okay. Ontology, there are three gene ontologies. One is your biological pathways, then your cellular components, and another one is your molecular functions. Okay. So we are scanning for all ontologies here. Okay. And p-value cutoff is 0.05. P-adjusted method is Bonferroni, Hochberg, and q-value is the p-adjusted cutoff. Okay. Now run. Okay. By okay. So gene list resig2 log to fold change. Okay. And then names gene list is row names of resig2, and then you have to sort it in decreasing order. Okay. Decreasing equals to true. Okay. So run. Understood why we are taking here the gene list? First, you have to take the log to fold change. Then you have to assign the gene names by row names. So row names of the resig2 is the gene names. Okay. Then you sort it because that is the requirement by the tool. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt. That go
Yes, ma'am.
go and go hai na? That gene is equal to name gene list.
Gene
Where
equal
you
to
write X.
yes.
Yeah, can you please tell me about that?
Sorry, I am not getting your question.
Okay.
Sir,
Here
I
you
have
said
read the gene list, but it's not giving anything. It's giving error.
What is the error, ma'am?
So I will
Yeah,
paste.
as Gayatri ma'am, you are asking some question. What was the question exactly? Please tell me.
so there I'm getting an error.
Mhm.
Like error is gene X. I mean, could not find the function enrichGo.
Yeah. Okay. Library cluster profiler like this.
Yeah, that library, I called that library.
So gene list not found, it is showing.
Yeah, you have to create gene list. Have you created?
No, sir.
So where are you getting error, ma'am? In enrichGo or in GSEGo?
Sir, after giving the name gene list arrow short.
Sorry. I am very sorry. Very sorry. Wait. Yeah. So this you can instead use for the geo. Okay. Use this one, enrichGo.
Sir, this 55 command, it was showing that gene list not found.
Yeah, replace that with this, the recent one which I have given in the in-call messages. Okay.
Again, the same error, sir. Could not find function enrich go. Can I share my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Could
Sir?
not find function gene list. Yeah. Go to console.
Okay.
Yeah. Write library. Bracket.
Yeah.
Cluster CL. Click on that cluster profiler.
Yeah.
Press enter. See, it was not loaded.
Okay.
Yeah. Now you run line 74.
74.
I mean 81.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Running. Lavanya ma'am. Running now.
So can I share my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. It's done.
Okay. Okay. So those who have finished Enrich Go, please go ahead with the GSE Go. I have given the code in the in-call messages. Okay.
Sir,
The updated one, please use that.
Sir, for the command GSC go,
Sir,
I am
after
getting stats may not be available when loading. Oh, that's what we get. Okay.
Yeah, because what is happening is in this gene list, there is no terms which is getting enriched. That is why all these errors are coming. Okay.
I have a question. It might be silly. Like, it's
No, ma'am.
what's the difference? Like, there's a command go. It starts with the go, and then GSE go. What is the difference, or what the command
Nothing.
stands for?
Nothing. GSE, for my reference, you know that these are R objects. Okay. So you can give anything in here. So for my convenience, I am saving it as GSE. Okay.
So can you see the
GSE
error?
internal genes. Yes, ma'am. Gene list should be a decreasing sorted vector. So you have to do what? You have to use that line, gene list, sort gene list decreasing equal to true. I have given that command, but you have not run that line. That is why the issue is happening. Okay. So now that this line, see my screen, where is it? Yeah, line 57. Good. Okay. So now that we have created, so let's see the result, how it looks. Okay. So we can see only the enrich go result because the GSE go is not running in this case. So just write this is how you will get the pathways. Okay. These are the pathways which are enriched under the differentially expressing genes. Got it, everyone? How we are doing differential expression? So in PCA, we are dropping that HEK thing. Why? You saw? Because that knockdown has no effect on HEK cell line. Okay. So we moved ahead with the MCF7 differential expressing results. Then we took the significant differential expressing genes and then we did the pathway and we got the result. Got it? Any doubt?
Sir, can you please repeat that gene list thing?
Yeah. So there are two algorithms for calculating pathway. One is over representation. Another one is gene set enrichment. Okay. For over representation, you just need the name of genes. Okay. From the name of genes itself, your algorithm sees that some genes are there overrepresented, so this may be the pathway which is being taken. Okay. The other way is gene set enrichment, where you have to, the algorithm takes the gene name and their log to fold change. Okay. So when you give the log to fold change, then what it does, from the log to fold change, it calculates the enriched pathways. Okay. So that is why we need the gene list. What we did first, we took the log to fold change, then so this log to the gene list, then we gave the names. The names are this row names of restrict2. Row names of restrict2 is the genes which is significantly differentially expressed. Okay. And then we sorted it in a decreasing order. And then we proceeded for our what it is called gene set enrichment analysis. Lavanya ma'am, I guess for you this cluster profiler is not installing something. It ran for you in EnrichGo?
No, sir. No, sir. It's
What?
showing gene list error. Gene list error.
Yeah. Can you share your screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Anyone else who got error with the EnrichGo? Not the GSE Go function, just the
Sir,
EnrichGo.
can you please show the console section where you have typed all the comments actually?
Sir, can you please
I-
give me the last code?
Oh, so this is the last comment, right?
Last
GSE.
command.
Okay.
Yes.
After running that, you got that particular
So
plot.
I think this is not the last.
No, this is EnrichGo. This is EnrichGo. No, wait. This is this command. Yeah. Lavanya ma'am, have you copied the EnrichGo thing?
Yes, sir.
Where it is? No, copy. I have given it in the in-call messages. Copy it.
I have the same problem.
Paste it now. Yeah. Now run. Now it will run. Okay.
For
Yeah.
me,
Who
it
else is
seems
having the
was
same?
object.
Yeah.
X
Can you
not
share your
found.
screen? Others got the pathways and pictures, everything. Dishani, you got the picture pathway.
Sir, what is the result of the last command? Can you show the console?
The result of
Last this enrich command. Can you show the
yes. I will show that. Okay. So object X. Yeah. Ma'am, have you created the object X? Yeah. Run line 58. Now go to EnrichGo. Scroll. Yeah. Line 75. No. Down 76. Yeah. 83. Yeah. Now run. Yeah, see, it is running. Yeah. Who else is having error?
Oh, I got it now.
Okay, sir. Who else is having? Shiva Gurunathan, sir. You
share
got?
your screen on the RStudio.
Yes, sir. Okay. Muktashi ma'am, you got?
Yes, sir, I got the plot.
Okay, good. Yeah. So how your result looks, enrichment result. So this is how. Now, yeah. This is a ontology, ID, description, gene ratio. Okay. This is how the result looks. Okay. So you have to write go@result.
Sir, it is we have
Okay.
to write in the script pattern. And sir, please
Yes.
scroll down in the writer is
Script writer. Dot plot.
dot plot
Go.
is before plot. Okay.
GSE go. That I also got error because there is no enriched terms in this. Okay.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, sir.
Sir, so based on any model of study, I mean, if someone trying to compare the differential expression between a disease, any sort of disease and a control, they can download the sequence from, sequence from online sequences regarding that disease, and then control
Do
sequences.
the
as well. And
differential
they can run-
expression.
and they can run this all this process and can get result based on the function and which genes are over regulated, which are under regulated.
Yes, yes,
all the
yes,
information, right?
yes, yes,
I mean,
yes,
we can do some sort of review before conducting our model of study in a practical sense.
yes, yes.
Okay.
That people do anyway. Okay. Okay. Done. Any other questions? If you have, please let me know. Okay. And I will share the script file in the group itself. So mail this to you all as well in case you cannot download it. Okay. So thank you everyone then. If there is no question, we'll end the session here. I guess you all have learned how to do differential expression. So practice it once again. If you face any issue, please feel free to share your issues in the group. I will always be there to help you out.
I
Thank you
have
so much.
errors.
Yes, ma'am. What is the error?
So like I mentioned, it was not writable.
Yes, that I will see and tell you. Okay, so I exactly do not have the idea why a path is not writable. Generally, it happens when you have in any other drive. So I will see and tell you both people. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, can I send you the picture of that error?
Yeah, you can send me that picture.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir,
So
I have a
thank-
question.
Yes.
I have a question that that org.hs.eg.db, the hs represent human samples. What does org.db actually represent? Is it some sort of database?
Yes, it is the organism database. Okay, so first
Okay.
I gave that .mm. MM is for mouse.
Mice.
Okay. Yeah, HS is for human.
Okay. So
how to save the
if
file
we
in R?
Sorry,
How to save the file in the R?
which file, ma'am?
For example, our worksheet will be there, no? How we have to save that?
So just go here.
Sir, I'm not able to see.
File.
Huh.
My screen is visible, na?
Yeah.
Go to file. Okay, save as, and then here I will save it as CATR transcriptomic.
Sir, now I'm not able to save. See your screen.
Sir,
You
actually,
got
your
save as.
Okay, sir, got it.
Excuse me.
Sir, can I ask you one
Sir.
thing?
Yes, sir. Please.
Sir, when you are actually, when the others are actually sharing the screen, then you are checking which one is where there is a problem. Then you are going and then saying that you click the, run the line 10 or 15 or say in a sequence. Why do so what does that mean? Like we have to go back and then run again in sequence. So is that required here in the RStudio?
Yes.
So it creates a output in somewhere and it saves there.
Yes, good. Very good, sir. So whatever you write that, it saves that in the background. Okay. And then runs that from the background itself.
So if you miss the sequence, then there is a problem there.
Yes. If you mix up the sequence, then there will be issue.
Okay. Another thing is,
Okay.
is there a connection between that Ubuntu screen in the command prompt and this RStudio? Or
No,
they can
Ubuntu
run
runs with Ubuntu. This R runs with your Windows. They are two
So-
different operating systems.
Okay, so the Conda and other things, it is in the Ubuntu only.
Totally irrelevant to this R screen.
This one we just took the Excel sheet and then we just analyze
And
the
yeah,
data.
yes, we just analyze the data.
All right, thank you.
Good, sir. Okay.
Sir, I have a question. Like
Mhm.
after saving the script, this RStudio, it is saved in saved as R files. Okay.
Yes.
So after saving it, I like the script is open and various lines are showing a red cross beside it. Why is it that? Those commands were running fine.
Because
But-
yeah, because the data is not loaded. Once you
Okay.
load the R script,
Okay.
suddenly it starts looking for those data. Okay.
Okay.
So if that
okay.
data is not loaded, it will show that this is a
Error.
wrong line. Okay. Error.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, one
And-
question, that is log to fold change greater than equals
Hmm.
to 1. It is
Hmm.
always, or it is what does it
You
mean?
tell me, ma'am, in qPCR, what you take? You take two-fold change or you take less than that?
Yes, to fold change, yes.
Exactly. So same thing we are doing here.
Sir, when it will be more than 1, like it will be
2
equal
to
to
the
1.
power 1 is 2. So do we need more than that?
Okay, no, not in this case. Okay.
Yes. In any case, do we need anything more than that? Let's say you are getting something like 3000 differentially expressed genes. So that time, obviously, you will be increasing the cutoff. That means it will become very strict then. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Understood, everyone? Clear? All doubts?
Sir, I have a question actually.
Yes, sir.
Sir, instead of that organism database, can we use any other database and
No, no.
let's-
Cluster
oh.
profiler is written in a manner that it will use org.hs.ez.db as its what it is called, its reference data set, on the basis of which it calculates the pathways.
Okay. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, you can create your own database in line with that database. So you have to follow that structure.
Okay.
Yes.
Sir, you mentioned this binary, the expression is binary. So instead of
Binary.
log 10, we are using log 2. Why is it?
Sir, log 2 is just for our convenience. So why should we use here log 10? So can we get two-fold change in log 10?
Oh, it will
You
be
tell
like 1,
That will be
10,
like 0 point
20.
something, 0.00 something. Na?
Okay.
In 10.
When you mentioned the gene expression follows a binary, something like that,
That is negative binomial distribution.
what is that binomial?
Yeah.
Negative
So there are
binomial.
various distributions like Poisson distribution, binomial distribution. Okay. So like that, gene expression is considered negative binomial distribution. Okay.
Okay.
Why
Okay.
it is considered negative binomial distribution is still we do not know which expression of which gene affects which gene. That picture is unclear to us. Okay.
All right.
So in negative binomial distribution, when you add two quantities, it will never be the exact sum. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So there are many other such. This is not what I am saying is not exactly the negative binomial distribution. I am just giving you an overview. Okay. In layman's language, this is how they thought that if we take negative binomial, it will be proper.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. One gentleman called Michael Love, he designed this DSET too. So he's a statistician. He's not a biologist. So he read all these things and he has given this premise.
Sir, binomial
sir.
test, there will be two results, like so.
No, binomial distribution is a different thing. Binomial doesn't mean two. Distribution is a different thing. It's a statistics term. You can read up about it more. Okay.
Yes, a
So should we end the session here?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, I
Okay.
have a.
Thank you, sir.
I mean, I
Yes,
got
thank
the
you.
error like this. Can you please explain about it?
Okay, ma'am.
File
You
saving.
send it. Okay. File saving error. Cannot open connection. Yeah. Because you have maybe opened that thing somewhere. That is why.
Okay.
Otherwise impossible. Yeah.
Okay, sir, one more small doubt. For example,
Yeah.
for the people who are accessing these lectures through recording sessions, how they will get their certificate?
Yeah, those who have registered, everyone will get certificate.
That's
Whether
okay.
you
Thank you.
have attended, not attended, it's not like that. You have
Okay.
registered, you will get certificate. Okay.
Okay, how we can get that certificate, sir, through mail or
So
WhatsApp?
ma'am will send you.
Through mail?
Yeah, I guess through mail. I also don't know. Samriddhi ma'am will let you know about this certificate.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Yeah, she will say generally, yeah, shared on email. Yeah.
Okay,
So
thank
she generally sends within 2 to 3 days. Okay. So you
Okay,
have to be
thank you.
patient about that. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.